So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu coin here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, what I want you to do is to just go to the main screen right here, then go to the top left and press on buy. Now once you're here, you can go to the top where it says search, and you can simply just start typing in Shiba Inu. So I'll just type in right this at the top, SHIB is what you're looking for. Go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy Shiba Inu, you can go ahead and either select cash or crypto. So if you wanted to use maybe Apple Pay, a credit card, a debit card, whatever the case may be, you can select the cash option, then go to the bottom and press on buy, depending on how much crypto of this you want to buy. So and at the top, it'll show you the conversion. So in this case, if you wanted to buy 8 million Shiba Inu, that would cost me about $140 Canadian. You can also go to 50 right here, whatever the case may be. If you want to use crypto, so you wanted to buy Shiba Inu coin with maybe Bitcoin, you can go press on crypto right here, select what you're looking for, so Ethereum, Dogecoin, etc. Go to the bottom, press on buy if you want, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Shiba Inu coin here on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.